Hello everyone and welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are reviewing a MOOSOO vacuum cleaner. So let's get started. So as you guys can see, this is the D600 17KPa lightweight vacuum cleaner. Alright, so this is everything that you get in this kit. So it's a beautiful, it's like a red, deep red, metallic kind of color, which I personally love. So you get the device itself, the actual vacuum cleaner. This is a wired vacuum cleaner. So you have your on and off button right here. And to open the bay, you just simply pop this open, twist this, that pulls this filter out. You also have a filter directly inside. You twist that, and that opens that. Go ahead, place it back in here. Place this back in here. So you pretty much just line up the pins here, just like that, and you're good to go. So you also have this lever that drops down these little blades, so that works great. And also you can pop it back in place, the little brushes. So you also have a filter right here. So by twisting this, you can see a filter right in here. And that can be replaced and cleaned as well. So you can see everything that it's collected already, and we just got started cleaning. That's how powerful this really is. All by just a simple clean. So this thing is working great. I absolutely love it. A+ from me.